Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today we are doing another early Christmas decor. On my last Christmas/holidays video, I had promised you that if the video had reached 1500 views within 24 hours, I was gonna do another Christmas video. So here I am, keeping my promise to you guys. Also, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for that. Today I am going to do 3 different looks on the console table. I would love it if you stick around to see the final look. I have decided to remove the table that I have here and put this console table here just because I feel like the look will fit better in this table. And to be honest with you, this table was purchased originally for this corner, so I'm so glad it's back in here. For the first look, I'm going to be using some of the decor items that were on my last Christmas decor in my dining room. And for the other 2 looks, I'm going to be using new items. Let me tell you guys, I have some new things that I bought recently. They are so beautiful, so glam. I am super excited about them. I cannot wait for you guys to see them. Before I continue with the first look, I wanted to stop and show it to you guys, just in case if you are one of these people who likes a simpler look. I just wanted to show it to you like that. But as for me, you know, more is better, so we're gonna go back and add some more things to complete the first look. Now I'm gonna be adding these branches that I got from Michaels. Now I'm adding some champagne and silver ornaments and some tea light. This is the final arrangement for the first look. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Hey, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And to my returning Glam Squad, where do I start? Thank you so much. You guys are the best. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. This morning I have reached 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I am beyond grateful and feel so blessed that you guys have decided to follow me in my journey of creating my beautiful home. Of course, I'm gonna be having a giveaway. Details for the giveaway will be coming up in my next video. Stay tuned for that. For the second look, I've decided to dial it down a bit and give it a more modern look. The two small vases on each side and the candle holders are from HomeGoods, and the garland is from Joanne. I got these super pretty ornaments from HomeGoods as well. Look at this vase, you guys. Tell me if this vase is not giving you life. I got it at HomeGoods and they only had one, and I grabbed it. There was a lady who was gonna grab it right before me and I snatched it in front of her. I'm a nice girl, you guys, but I had to get this one. These flowers are from Burlington. Super, super, super pretty. What do you guys think so far? But of course, if you feel like it is too much for you, let me show you what it looks like when you remove the garland. It is still super cute. And this is it if you remove the candle holders as well, which is my husband's preference. It's very elegant and simple with a nice little touch of glam. Well, that's a lot of glam, but it has a nice and subtle holiday spirit to it. This is my third and final look. Yes, you guys, this glam baby of mine is from Hobby Lobby. I love it. It is so pretty. I keep it very simple. I have the reindeer seat on a cake stand that I got from HomeGoods, and of course my two crystal candle holders on each side. Just like we did on my last Christmas holidays video, if we get this video to 2,500 views within 24 hours and 200 likes, I will definitely do another holiday video for you guys. Please help your girl out by sharing this video with all of your friends and your family and on your social media pages so we can get to 2,500 views within 24 hours. While you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload a new video. Please drop me a comment below. Let me know which setup was your favorite setup. I thank you for your time today and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you. Bye-bye. Mwah.